Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi for beginners. First, gather your fresh ingredients, focusing on quality. You'll need a large head of napa cabbage, coarse sea salt, and a few other key items. This process is surprisingly straightforward, even for those new to fermentation. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your homemade kimchi is both flavorful and authentic. Now let's prepare the star of our show, the napa cabbage. Cut your cabbage into quarters, then soak it in a generous amount of coarse sea salt. This brining step is crucial for drawing out moisture and tenderizing the leaves. After about 2 to 3 hours, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt. Squeeze out any remaining water gently. Next, we'll create the vibrant kimchi paste that gives this dish its signature flavor. In a large bowl, mix 1/2 cup of gochugaru, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Incorporate 1/4 cup of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar for balance. Finally, add shredded daikon radish and chopped green onions. This paste is the heart of your kimchi. With your paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Wear gloves and thoroughly massage the paste into every leaf of the cabbage. Pack the seasoned cabbage tightly into clean jars, leaving about 1 inch of head space. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, then refrigerate. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade kimchi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.